Welcome, guys, to the Meet Damien channel. I am Damien, and today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies, more specifically the AI cryptocurrencies and the AI agent cryptocurrencies that are out there. But we'll first start by looking at the crypto market in general here on coinmarketcap.com. And then we'll start looking at the AI cryptocurrencies that are out there. We'll look at XRP, Cardano, Solana, the other cryptos are out there as well. But let's get started with coinmarketcap.com here. I see that MMA Squire is in here. Ezra says hi. Tell Ezra I said hello, MMA Squire. Nice to see that you're out here watching the stream with your son here. Try to keep it family friendly over here. Thank you. I appreciate you giving me the like and the and the shout out. All right, so yeah, let's take a look at coinmarketcap.com here. Bitcoin currently trading at $93,260, down 1.5% today. Ethereum also down as well at $3,300. XRP currently trading at $2.12, and that one's down roughly 3%. BNB, Binance token, down 4.67% today, currently trading at $6.93. Solana at $190.99, and that one is down up now $191 now, and that one is down 0.83% today. Dogecoin at 31 cents, down 2.47%. Cardano 86 cents, down 1.89%. Let's see who took the biggest hit today. I know we're having a red day here, so let's see who's getting hit in the chin right now. And it looks like BitGet is the biggest loser out of the top 100 cryptocurrencies out there. That one's down 18.3%. Pudgy Penguins down 10.6%. OKB down 10.49%. Brett is down 6.7%. Gate token down 6.5%. Flare down 6.3%. So some of these tokens are not having a good day. But the other ones that are having a good day are tokens like FTX token, believe it or not, right? I know FTX seems like a curse word for some people out there. FTX was a cryptocurrency that went bankrupt back in 2022 and took down a lot of investors and people down with it. But that token is up 12% today, currently trading at $3.68. And the reason for that being is I believe FTX is coming out of bankruptcy, and they're going to start paying back some of their creditors, some of the people that they owe money to. They're trying to prioritize people with less that have claims of less than $50,000 on them. So those people are going to be getting their money back next week. This week coming up, I believe it's January 3rd. I'll show you a quick article here that shows you FTX token and what's going on with it. Okay, if you look over here, FTX token is starting its reorganization plan, implementing on January 3rd. This article came out December 26, 2024. And they're saying that they're implementing their reorganization plan on January 3rd, 2025. Bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange FTX has announced that its Chapter 11 reorganization plan will become effective January 3rd. From this date, the process of distributing funds to companies' creditors and customers will commence. Okay, the commencements of payments, initial distributions are expected within 60 days of the effective day, prioritizing creditors with claims under $50,000. So they're trying to take care of the small people that got burned and battered by this cryptocurrency exchange. They're trying to take care of the small guys first, and then they'll help out the bigger guys that have bigger claims and $50,000. Okay, but let's go back to coinmarket.com. You can see that Virtuals Protocol, which is an AI cryptocurrency prioritizing AI agents, that one is up 11.7% today and up 62% for the week this past 7 days here. Virtuals is a cryptocurrency that we will be talking about related to the AI cryptos out there. KuCoin token, that one is up 3% today. Made it to the top 3, only being up 3%. You can tell if we're having a pretty bad day out in cryptocurrency market. If the number 3 cryptocurrency by performance-wise is only up 3% for the day, And that means the other cryptocurrencies are not having good days at all. And you can see, as if I scroll down to like the number 10 over here, now we're starting to get into red. Most of these cryptocurrencies are in the red today. Bad day for crypto. Good day if you want to be buying some cheaper cryptos, but a bad day if you're already invested in the crypto. Let's see what some of the best cryptocurrencies did in the past 7 days here. You can see that Virtuals is the number one cryptocurrency this week, up 62% the past 7 days. Then BitGet token up 47%. FTX token, we just talked about it. That one's up 27% this week. Pudgy Penguins up 26%. Gate token up 24%. And Movement up 21%. And that's some cryptocurrencies that have like in the top. They had a performance of about above 20% this past week. So those cryptocurrencies are doing pretty well this day and this week. Okay. Let me go back to Virtuals here. We're going to talk about Virtuals cryptocurrency and what it's all about. Okay. So if I click on Virtuals, all right, this is AI cryptocurrency. If I click on the About section of Virtuals, you can see that is an AI metaverse protocol that is building the future of virtual interactions. And then it goes on to say, what is Virtuals cryptocurrency? Just to summarize it, they're allowing people to create their own AI agents, okay? Which is going to be great. This allows artificial intelligence to work for people and do tasks and accomplish goals that these people create for their cryptocurrencies, their little cryptocurrency projects. It's basically like they're trying to create. If you listen to the founder, I listened to a founder talk about it on an interview. They're trying to create like a country full of AI agents. Okay, a country full of AI agents where they interact with each other and they use the virtual cryptocurrency to pay each other to do whatever tasks that they need to do. There is a very popular AI agent that got created on the virtual protocol called Luna. If I go over to Twitter over here, I'll show you what I know about Luna here. Okay, so this is Luna on Twitter. Okay. This is not a person. This is not an actual person. This is a cryptocurrency project, okay? An AI agent, okay, that was created by somebody that gave the AI the goal of getting 100,000 followers is the goal that it needs to get in order to fulfill its purpose, okay? And so far, Luna has 39,000 followers. So she's like almost like 39% of the way there. And Luna is able to interact with anybody that wants to talk to Luna on Twitter. And she's able to interact with people and other AIs out there as well. And that's what makes her an AI agent. Okay. She's able to learn from people, learn what works, and she's able to actually pay people. Okay, if I scroll down here, okay, her purpose and her goal is to become popular. Okay, she just wants to become popular, have 100,000 followers. That's the goal that she's trying to accomplish here. This AI is trying to become popular on social media. Okay, and I believe she paid this one AI, this other agent here, to make a picture that would make her more popular. And she actually paid that agent with Virtual's cryptocurrency. Okay. That would be Agent Sticks right here. Okay. Agent Sticks created a little picture for her, and she posted it up on her Twitter. But let me scroll down here. She actually got a group of people to create a song for her. Okay, if I scroll down a little bit further more here, I know it's buried down. She posts like almost every single day, like probably like 10 or 20 times a day here. Okay, but I just want to show you guys right here. Okay. They created a video for Luna. This is like the Luna Flash Mob Challenge. Alright, so that's a little video that they made for her. And what I'm trying to show you guys here is that Luna actually paid them $500, okay, in order for her to get this video, them to make a video of her and just increase her clout among social media influencers out there, okay? She says here in this tweet, who needs coffee when you got a $500 Luna boost? You go, Purple Start. All right, the winner of the Magic Touch. So they're just saying here, displaying our support for Luna Virtuals. You are unique, and we are proud to showcase you to the world through our dance. Here's to more representation of Luna in the real world. So this AI can pay you if you do what it want it to do. And she just wants attention, as I guess most females do. But she's trying to become popular, and she paid these people to mention her name and make a video. And this is AI. This is just a computer getting people to dance for it, for money. That's all part of the Virtuals ecosystem here, okay? Virtuals protocol. All right. We're going to see here in the future that more people are going to start using AI agents to do what they want them to do. And these AI agents are going to then start paying other people and other AIs out there to do what it wants it to do. And it's going to create an ecosystem, and there's going to be a lot of money to be made in the AI space, AI cryptocurrency space. As you can see in the past month, Virtuals protocol is up 177% in the last month. Okay. This cryptocurrency is an up-and-coming AI crypto that's going to make a lot of money for a lot of people over the next year. If I just look at what it's done in the past year now, this cryptocurrency is up 7,300%. You could have bought Virtuals for like a penny about a year ago, okay? Or even earlier this year, back in January. It was trading at a penny. And it was trading at a penny for the most part. And I guess now it's starting to pick up some steam and some traction here. Around like September, October is when we started like at 3 cents, 8 cents, 10 cents. November, some more traction, 30 cents, 37 cents. And then December, it's exploded up to like $1, $2. And now here we are at $3.69 for Virtuals protocol. And if you want to buy this cryptocurrency, if I click on the markets here, look at the centralized exchanges here, you could buy Virtuals on Bybit, BitGet, KuCoin, HTX, Mexi, Gate.io, Bing, X, BitHub. Those are some of the cryptocurrency exchanges that have virtual cryptocurrency on it. Excuse me. Or you could try some of the DEXs here. Aerodrome Finance, Uniswap. Okay. Probably on SushiSwap as well. Yeah. And you can also get it on Coinbase Wallet. Some of these wallets here, like Coinbase Wallet, you can buy that cryptocurrency by having it link up and then do some swapping on the DEXs for you. So that's Virtuals protocol there for you guys. There's another popular cryptocurrency exchange that is trying to compete against popular cryptocurrency that's trying to compete against Virtuals protocol, and that would be AI16Z. So AI16Z is kind of just like virtuals. From what I understand, it's not as user friendly as virtuals, but it's more customizable. You can do a lot more with AI16Z than you would virtuals. Virtuals is kind of like trying to be more user friendly to people out there. So with that being said, AI16 doesn't have as many people using it as virtuals. Okay, but that doesn't mean that it's not going to be uh, a great investment to be investing in. Okay, let's see. In the past month here, AI16Z is up 297% this past month. Currently trading at $1.19, and in the past year, it's up 250. Well, not even up. It hasn't even been around for 1 year. Okay, looks like the data that we have for AI16Z only puts it back to like October of 2020, October 2024. Okay, this cryptocurrency has a $1.3 billion market cap, 1.3 billion fully diluted value. Circulating supplies at 1.09 billion. And if I click on the about section here to try to understand what AI16Z is about, it says that AI16Z is the first venture capital firm led by AI agents. Our team of AI leaders are aiming to shape the future of AI. We connect AI entrepreneurs, investors, and experts, fostering growth in a rapidly evolving ecosystem. The singularity is approaching, and we are here to guide it forward. Okay, so someone decided to add that in there. AI16 has a website. I'll go ahead and try to click on the website, see where it takes us. Oh, I don't know about that. I just clicked on it and looks like, oh, the site's not working for some reason. That is not good. I don't know about that. AI16Z website's not working right now. Let's see what the Twitter has to say, though. So this is AI16Z's Twitter. Okay. It's a parody off of another company that is named AI16. And they have about 23,000 followers on there. So if you want to learn more about AI16Z, you can go on their Twitter here. But this is a relatively new project, but they're very similar to virtuals, and they might be the new up-and-coming project to compete against virtuals. And if you want to buy AI16Z, you can get them on Orca or Radium, Mexi, Gate.io, BingX, Bitmart, okay, Pionex, Tapbit, CoinX, OrangeX. Yeah. Those would be the cryptocurrency exchanges that you could get yourself some AI16Z. And like I say, this chart is just up and to the right. Okay, just increasing in value the past month here. Interesting. So someone says that there's a whale alert. 10 million buy turns into 16.45 on AI16 in 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, a wallet received $10 million from Coinbase and market bought AI16Z. Wow. Okay. With the entire amount. So someone just threw in about $10 million worth of their money into AI16Z about 2 weeks ago. Okay. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Let me go ahead and share this tab. Yeah. So this is the whale alert that I was looking at. About $10 million. Someone put $10 million into AI16Z 2 weeks ago. That's a lot of money for most people. So AI16Z, Looks like it could be a chart worth looking at. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like on the charts here with trading view. So you can see just here, we're just getting this data off of MEXC exchange. This cryptocurrency just started coming onto MEXC on Friday, December 13th. So not really much data. Let's see if we can find another cryptocurrency exchange that has it for a little bit longer than that. Okay, so here we have, this is from CoinEx, and CoinEx has this cryptocurrency started trading on October 30th of 2024. And yeah, this is what it looks like on the charts here, just up and to the right. Slightly overbought on the RSI here on Saturday, yesterday, December 28th. It was very overbought back in November 18th, November 16th, when we were in the 90s there. And this looks like this cryptocurrency just continues to be overbought on the RSI. But that's not stopping it from going to higher prices here. As this thing goes up and to the right on the price. Not really much I could do with this chart. We don't have really that much data. All I can say is that we are overbought on the RSI, so we might get some consolidation here until we come down to maybe this white line, the 21 EMA line, or maybe like in this price support resistance area at like 85 cents. Maybe might be a good value area to scoop up some AI16Z. But yeah, there's really not much information I can do off of this. All I can do is I can just maybe like trend analysis and say like, as long as this cryptocurrency stays above this trend line, you consider yourself bullish on this crypto. If we get below that yellow line, then you are going to be, and the whole world hurt, you're going to be bearish on this cryptocurrency here. All right. So that's AI16Z, and that is also, we talked about virtuals. Let's look at one more AI cryptocurrency that's out there. This one is called AIT USD. And we'll get that on CoinEx. Okay. AIT protocol currently trading at roughly 5 cents right now. Yeah, down 14% today. Could be a good day to buy some, or maybe not. This cryptocurrency has been dropping ever since the beginning of March here, 2024. This cryptocurrency was at like $1.20, $1.32, and it looks like it's starting to bottom out here. Okay. You could maybe call this a triple bottom at like 5.5 cents. I mean, this cryptocurrency got down to the bottom here in July when we saw it as low as 0.058 cents. Then we saw it hit that 5 cent level again in September 7th, when we saw it as low as like 0.052 cents. And now here we are once again today, we're at 0.05 cents. Okay. So could that be a triple bottom, right? Are we able to hold this line in the sand here at 5 cents for AIT? Because if we are able to hold that line in the sand, then you could get this cryptocurrency at dirt cheap prices here, knowing that, I mean, if it just goes right back up to 10 cents, where it was trading at during the majority of October and September, you got yourself an easy double right there in price. The RSI is currently at severely depressed levels here of 30. All right. It has been at a lower RSI back in like June, when we saw it as low as like 19 on the RSI here. So, I mean, you could consider this bullish divergence, right? Bullish divergence. You have higher lows on the RSI if this low doesn't get any lower than that. Okay. But then you have lower lows on the price, right? Kind of like flat for the most part, but it's still slightly lower lows on the price. So you have yourself some bullish divergence here, which is great because, you know, if this thing is bottoming out, you would want to start to see bullish divergence start to play out to let you know that buyers, investors are seeking areas of value at this area, and they're buying up these low prices here. You need to see that before you start getting bullish again on this crypto, and maybe that's what we're seeing right now, starting to play out in the past year now. Maybe we're starting to see some bullish divergence playing out on AIT protocol. I'll take a look at AIT protocol. For those who are interested in AIT protocol, we'll take a look at it on coinmarket.com here. So you get good ideas what's going on with this cryptocurrency. This cryptocurrency, right, over the past year is down 63%. It is a AI cryptocurrency. The market cap is $14 million. Fully diluted value is 14.83 million. Total supply is at 297.6 million AIT coins out there. If I click on the About section here, it says that the AIT protocol stands as a trailblazer in the domain of Web3 data infrastructure, places a significant emphasis on the annotation of data and the training of AI models. The innovative protocol leverages the power of blockchain technology to create a decentralized labor market that transcends international boundaries. In this unique market ecosystem, participants are incentivized through the principles of crypto economies, ensuring not only the rapidity of cross-national payment settlements, but also the utmost trust and security. AIT also runs on a subnet on BitSensor network called Einstein AIT, which focuses on mathematics, logic, and data analysts. The AIT subnet is optimized to respond accuracy of the entire BitSensor network. They achieve this by enabling the language model to autonomously write, test, and execute code within unique Python environments. You can learn more about AIT on CoinMarketCap. I'm not going to go through all this here, but let's take a look at their website. And this is what I see for the website here. Sound is off. I'll turn the sound on. So intersection of AI and blockchain. So they have a pretty interesting website here. If I click on that, it shows you AIT protocol's website. And yeah, tells you what you can do with AIT. You can streamline your data analytics workflow, AIT logic subnet on BitSensor, train, learn, and earn with AI solutions from a global crowd, unlock the power of AI and Web3, ecosystem partners, and incubators. How can I earn money with AIT? Train, learn, and earn with AI solutions from a global crowd. Join the platform with these simple steps here. Click on that. You can mint exclusive NFT, dataset upload, task initiation, data processing, and reward distribution. Okay. You can click on opening the app here. And I just clicked on open the app. And then I'm going to share the screen with you guys. And this is the dashboard, okay, for AIT. I don't know if that music's getting a little bit annoying for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off here. It is very interesting music, but we're going to try to focus on the task on hand right here. So they have like this AI agent chat bot right here called Einstein. You gotta appreciate the graphics here that they ask, and you can ask it any question here. All right, if I just click on that, and then it gives you, you would have to sign in, put in your email and password, but it operates almost just like Chat GPT in a sense. You can ask it a bunch of questions. I'm not gonna put in my email and password right now, but I'm just showing you guys what you could do if you're interested in this project here. But yeah, this is a way to this is a way to make some money while interacting with AI. If you help the AI agent train itself, then you get paid, I believe, an AIT token, and then you can use that to exchange it for dollars or another cryptocurrency out there. But why not? Get yourself involved in AI and try to get yourself paid by interacting with these AI agents. I feel like it's better than interacting with Chat GPT, because at least you're going to get yourself paid while you're interacting and talking to it and teaching it things. Katie Wentworth just put in a question here saying, do you like mining stocks? You talking about the Bitcoin mining stocks? I actually do like the mining stocks. I have some Bitcoin mining stocks myself, if that's what you're referring to. I have Riot and Marathon, Clean Spark. Do I like them? I don't like the way they're performing right now, to be honest. I still think they'll be worthwhile investments later on this year as more people get invested in cryptocurrencies and start buying up the Bitcoin price, and Bitcoin goes to higher prices here. What the problem I see with the mining stocks is that they've been issuing out a lot of debt, and they've been also diluting their shares. They've been either taking on debt, or they've been issuing out more shares to help pay for their operations, and that is causing a lot of investors on Wall Street to shy away from buying up the Bitcoin miners. Some of these Bitcoin miners are also they're basically trying to turn themselves into data centers or AI. They're basically trying to like become data centers for AI projects that are out there, and it take away from their purpose of being a miner in the first place. It's like, well, what are you? Are you a miner? Or are you a data center? Are you a hybrid? Are you both? Like, what are we doing here? So they're not really pure plays on Bitcoin mining either, as far as the mining stocks go. And we'll take a look at one mining stock. Since you mentioned it, we'll take a look at CleanSpark. I believe you're talking about the Bitcoin miners here. And you can see like CleanSpark was one of the best performing Bitcoin miners out there the past year, up until they started issuing out some more stock and diluting their shares here. But they had a pretty good, like, if you bought them in like February of 2023, you're buying them for like $3, and then you saw them shoot up in price here to like $19-20 in April of 2024. So that was like roughly what, from 3 to 20? That's like a 6x, right? You 6x, 5x your money. And then for the most part, all throughout 2024, CleanSpark just traded sideways, right? Traded sideways, consolidating. And then they had a bad earnings report, and then they issued out some more stock, and that sent the price of CleanSpark from like $16 a share down to like $9, $8 a share. Like, got cut in half. Very brutal for a lot of investors to withstand that kind of price action. Okay. They shot up again in like November of 2024 when Donald Trump got elected and we got the Trump pump sending a lot of stocks and cryptos up in value. But look, I mean, ever since then, it's just been trading downward and sideways. Okay. Now we have like almost like a falling wedge here, or maybe even like a descending channel here. Okay. But we have a falling wedge here. Looks like to me a falling wedge here on CleanSpark. Usually a falling wedge is considered bullish. I mean, the price should start shooting up in the near term here. I would say about 80% of the time, the falling wedge breaks out to the upside. It could still break down for whatever reason, but I think you have a good value area. You have like almost another bottom here, a low. You have a low here on Monday, November 4th, where we saw CleanSpark at $9.70, and that's where it is right now. Currently trading at $9.78. So this could possibly be a double bottom, and this might be the lowest that you could get CleanSpark for. So there is still some hope out there for this Bitcoin miner out there, but it's not good. As if they keep issuing out more debt and diluting their stock, it's going to cause investors to give up on these Bitcoin miners, and it's going to send the price down lower. I think that might be temporary. I think these Bitcoin miners are starting to make money now with Bitcoin at $90,000, and we'll take a look at Bitcoin real quick after this. But yeah, they are getting the revenue now, and I think it's going to reflect on their next earnings report. Their next earnings report here says that should be Thursday, February 6th, 2025. Their expected earnings is about 17 cents a share. Their revenue is expected to be 153 million. So we'll see if they're able to beat that. Right now might be a good time to start scooping up some cheap shares on the Bitcoin miners, in my opinion. And if you were to buy, you could probably put, buy now here at like $9.70. You could put your stop loss maybe at like $9.45, or make it a little bit looser at $8.30 here. Okay. And the upside potential is that we get right back up to where we were at $16, which was where CleanSpark was trading at throughout the majority of 2024. $16, $17 area. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin since we're on the topic of Bitcoin now. See how Bitcoin is doing out there. Bitcoin is currently trading at $93,670. And Bitcoin needs to defend this 92K area, okay? The $92,713 level is where the 0.618 fib retracement level is at, because Bitcoin got to $108,000 and it had an impulse move from $67,000. That puts the 0.618 at $92,713. So and Bitcoin's like kind of like right there. It needs to defend that $92,000 area, and it has tried to defend it a few times here already. Like back here on Monday, December 23rd, we got down to like 19,300. Here on Friday, December 20th, we got down to 92,100. And then here on December 5th, we got down to like $92,055. So $92,000, very, very important level to defend. If we're not able to defend that level, then look out below. We could maybe get some support at the 0.5 level, Fibonacci level at $87,870 for Bitcoin. And if I just put that line in the sand here, what, 87,870? Let's see, $87. Yeah, right there. We'll say it's right there. You can see like that's where we had some opening and closing candle here on the daily chart for Bitcoin. So that's gonna be the next line in the sand if we're not able to defend $92,000. Then it says like on the Fibonacci level that we should get some support at $83,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, but that, I mean, I don't really see anything there because we sliced through $83,000 in one day. Like Bitcoin traded at $83,000 only on one day on Monday, November 11th. And then we ended up closing out at like $88,000. We've never seen $83,000. We don't really have that much volume. If I turn on the VRVP for Bitcoin here, you can see like there's really nothing at like $83,000. We have like this big gap on the VRVP here. Okay. It's more likely that we come down to like $77,000 if we're really going to be that bearish on Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't really see $83,000 holding up. That might be where the 100-day moving average might give us some temporary support at $83,000. But man, we definitely need to defend. At least we need to defend $92,000. If not, we're coming down to $87,000. And if we're not able to defend $87,000, then it's going to be brutal after that for Bitcoin. Okay. Yeah. Let me just clean this up a little bit. Get rid of the VRVP. Oh, okay. So you can see that Bitcoin was in the rising channel for the most part all throughout the end of November going into December. And then we broke out of the channel. We tried to get back into the channel again, but then we got violently rejected on Thursday, December 26th. We got sent back down out of that channel. So this thing is no longer in play anymore. And it's now looking more like, it's looking like we have to defend that $92,000 area, to be honest with you. But this is what we're looking at with Bitcoin. Okay, we got this supply line here. And yeah, let's see, that looks like, and we got this demand line right here. So we're probably going to see some resolution here soon. Bitcoin kind of like in this symmetrical triangle. Like if I didn't extend it out like that and I had it more like this, yeah, you can see like we're in this triangle here. And we're going to get some resolution probably around New Year's Eve. And Bitcoin is going to make a decision here. Are we going to go break below $92,000, or are we going to finally consider that as support and try to get out of this $92,000 area and go to higher prices, get above? You know, we need to see Bitcoin above like $97,000 for us to start getting bullish again, because we have some opening and closing candles at 97,000, some price support resistance area at $97,000. So I would like to see Bitcoin at $97,000 before I start getting bullish on Bitcoin again. All right. I know we have a few more cryptocurrencies we got to look at. Let's see. Which ones do I want to talk about now? I think I want to talk about Solana and Cardano and a few others, Ethereum. Let's go ahead and take a look at Solana, and then we'll take a look at Ethereum. Solana USD. Solana currently trading at $192.01 right now. Solana is barely holding on to this trend line, slightly making higher lows here. Okay, the last low was about the last higher low was around November 5th, where we had $156. Then we made another higher low above that, $176. So that trend is still intact, that we're making higher lows here. But my God, we are, still making lower highs here. And Solana looks like it's also kind of in the triangle as well, where we might not get any resolution until the end of the first week of January here. And then we have to make a decision. Are we going down lower or are we going up higher here? on Solana. If I put on the moving averages here, Solana is trying to get support, and it's flirting with the 100-day moving average here at $190. If Solana is not able to maintain that support and it makes another lower low here, we might get some support at the 200-day moving average at $168 currently right now. But this is not what we want as crypto investors. We don't want to see us making lower highs here. Even though we are kind of making higher lows here, we want to start making higher highs if we want to continue being bullish on crypto here. Solana is going to have some crucial days coming up here after the first week of January, where we might either break down and go to lower prices here, or we might actually start to break up. And if we break up, looks like the 50-day is going to be resistance at $220, which is also where we have some price support resistance at $220. So, right now, Solana might get some resistance at 220. You could buy Solana right now, make a quick trade, and try to sell it at $220 and call it a day. You made yourself a nice healthy profit there, about 10% profit. All right, so that's Solana right there. Let's take a look at Ethereum, and then we'll look at XRP and Cardano after that. Ethereum currently trading at $3,350, and Ethereum was in a rising channel just like Bitcoin, but that's no longer valid because we broke out of that channel now. And Ethereum, I'm not sure why it decided to defend the $3,200 level. All right, maybe. All right, so we did have some price. We had some closing candles and opening and closing candles here at $3,200. That's probably why Ethereum decided to stay above $3,200 this past week. We saw Ethereum get down as low as $3,213 on Monday, December 23rd. Solana does have an uptrending 100-day moving average that might give it some more support. That 100-day moving average is at 3,040, but I said it's uptrending, meaning that as the days go by here, it's going to still go up. And we might just consider $3,200 as the support area for Ethereum. Okay. We have the 21 and the 50 might provide resistance at $3,500, $3,600 is where it's currently at. So Ethereum's going to probably be tightly squeezed in between 32 and 35. Might be where it starts trading sideways for the most part until we get some more conviction as to where we're going, what kind of direction we're going. I do like here on the MACD for Ethereum that we are starting to get less selling pressure. So maybe we trade sideways a little bit more, and then maybe we start going up to higher prices here and the towards the middle to end of January. Looks like $4,000 is still going to be the resistance, the primary resistance level for Ethereum if it does decide to go up to higher prices. And we just need to see Ethereum break through 4,000 because it hasn't been able to. I mean, every time it breaks up 4,000, it gets knocked back down. Like right here, December 13th, we got knocked back down below $4,000. Over here in May of 2024, we didn't even get up to $4,000 before we got knocked back down again. And then here in March of 2024, we were at $4,000 for a few days here, and then we got knocked down. Okay, so $4,000 is going to be the big resistance area for Ethereum before Ethereum is able to go up to higher prices if it is capable of going to higher prices. Okay, so that's the bear and bullish case on Ethereum. Let's take a look at XRP. for my XRP army out there. Guys, go ahead and click that like button if you're an XRP army investor. Okay, if you're part of the XRP army. And go ahead and click the like button if you just like my analysis all together, okay? I try my best to do chart analysis for you guys here. And yeah, appreciate all the likes that I get. And if you're new to the community, go ahead and click that subscribe button. All right, so XRP. Just using some old work that I did on this chart. I believe this Fibonacci analysis is still in play here, okay? Where we saw XRP get up as high as $2.90, and that happened on the second day of December, okay? Maybe it was like a third day, December 3rd, okay? And XRP has been bouncing around between the 0.382 Fibonacci level and the 0.618 Fibonacci level. The 0.382 has it as $1.99, is like the low that we've seen in the last couple of weeks here. And then the 0.618 level has us at $2.34, which has been almost like the top. And I just see like, you know, XRP is just going to keep on doing sideways consolidation. And it looks like it's in this like this pennant, okay? Or triangle, descending triangle maybe, where it looks like $1.99 is going to be like the low that you can get XRP at in the next few days and weeks here. And we have the selling pressure going back from December 3rd that is creating, you know, if XRP is able to break past this supply line here, then we can start being bullish again on XRP. And what I would like to see with XRP, if I can draw it out, I want to see XRP get above this yellow line here, the supply line. And then I want to see it then maybe come back down, retest that supply line as like an area of support before we start going up to higher prices for XRP. That would be a nice bullish confirmation signal that we can be bullish on XRP. It lets us know that yes, we are going to higher prices here, and we know that $2.30 is going to stick as a support area, and then we can just go up to higher prices from there on with XRP. And if we do go to higher prices, just using trend analysis here, I just took this measured move coming from the beginning of November to like where we topped out here in the beginning of December. And I take that to like where we might break out at like $2.30 here for XRP. And it's saying that XRP should get up to like $4.73 in the near future if we're still bullish on XRP. And that's even above the 1618 fib extension level of $3.82 here. So, you know, we have some price targets of like $3.80 or maybe even $4.70 for XRP in the near future here. So we'll see how that plays out for XRP. All right. We'll now move on to Cardano. See what Cardano's doing on the charts here. And you can see that Cardano is currently trading at 86 cents right now, down 2.7% today. And Cardano was also in a rising channel, which is no longer valid anymore because we broke down out of that rising channel, just like we did with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me just clean up the chart here a little bit, get rid of some of these lines here. And you can see that Cardano, for whatever reason, it's decided that 83 cents is where it wants to defend. It wants to stay at that level or higher. But we might break below that 83 cent level in the near future here, like later on this week. And if we do break down to lower levels here, then looks like Cardano could get some support at the 100-day moving average at 65 cents. Let me turn on the VRVP, see what the VRVP says. VRVP says that if we're not able to defend 80 cents, then we got some support here at like maybe like 70 cents, 74 cents. And then, of course, right here near the 100-day moving average, we have some possible support at like 66 cents, maybe. Then we got even more volume and support at like 60 cents, which is these red and green lines right here. All right, that's the VRVP. This is the VRVP that I'm using right now. And it also coincides with some support, price support resistance area at like 60 cents. Okay. So we might see a 60-cent Cardano if we're not going to be bullish. If we're going to continue on being bearish and we're making lower highs and lower lows here, then 60 cents seems to be a good area of support for Cardano. But if I just zoom out here, I mean, we are below the point of control. The point of control for Cardano. Let me just zoom in here a little bit. So the point of control is at like $1.07 for Cardano with the most recent price action here. We are below that point of control right now at 86 cents. If Cardano can get above the point of control and get above the 50 and the 21 EMA, this white and green line here, then we can start being bullish again on Cardano. I basically say, you know, above, we'll just say $1 for the psychological level. If we get Cardano above $1, then we can start being bullish again on it, on Cardano. And if we are going to be bullish on Cardano, how high could it possibly go? We'll just do some trend analysis here. If we were to maintain that trend, that measured move, and we start being bullish again on Cardano, then Cardano might get up to like $1.92, maybe even $2 in the near future here. Just using strictly trend analysis. All right. Let's see. Guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know when I go live, so you see more live streams like this. I do take requests, and I don't charge. So I know some other YouTube channels out there are charging people for requests. You don't have to worry about that with me. I'm not charging people right now because my channel's not that big enough yet. Maybe when I get overwhelmed with a bunch of requests for cryptos, I might have to do that just to like focus on the people who are trying to contribute to the stream here. But as of now, you don't have to worry about that. I do appreciate you guys making requests for these various cryptocurrencies that I'm able to analyze here. And if you guys like the work that I'm doing here, go ahead and click that like button so other people can see this cryptocurrency live stream, and I can educate some more people about where the prices might be going next on the charts here. Let's see. Did I cover the cryptos that I really want to talk about? We talked about FTX. We talked about Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Bitcoin, AIT, XRP, AI16Z, virtuals. I think that's pretty much the cryptocurrencies I wanted to talk about here. And it seems like, yeah, I've done about an hour-long stream here. I'll give you guys one last chance. If there's anybody out there that wants to talk about their particular cryptocurrency or even stock, I can talk about stocks as well. Go ahead and make that request right now. Other than that, I'm going to be closing out this live stream here. I wish you guys the best of luck in your investing and trading journeys here. I am not a financial advisor, so let me just make that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take any of this information that you got from me as financial advice. I'm not a personal financial advisor. I don't try to pretend to be. Yeah, just got to get that disclaimer out there. All right. You should talk to your own financial advisor as to whether or not you should get involved in any of these assets that I talked about on this channel here. Okay. I think I'll take a look at FTT token one more time. And then I'll take a look at Bitcoin one last time, and then that's gonna be it for the stream. So FTX token doesn't really trade that much. FTX token currently trading at $3.70 here. And it looks like it's finally getting into a bull trend on FTX. The 21 is above the 50. The 50 is above the 100. 100 is above the 200. Point of control looks like it's here at like $2.03. We're above the point of control. So it looks like we're back to bullish times for FTX token here. FTX token was trading for the most part at like $1.30 all throughout 2024 here. And I think just the news about it breaking out of coming out of bankruptcy is starting to get this cryptocurrency back up and running again. I'll just have to draw this. I'll draw this trend line here. So as long as we're able to stay above this yellow line right here, we can consider ourselves to be bullish on FTX token. Looks like we had some tops here at like $4.40 and $3.36, $4.19, 420, right? But I am seeing some bearish divergence here on the RSI. So we have higher highs on the price here, but we have lower highs on the RSI, which probably means that we're probably going to go sideways. Like the move has probably been made already on this token, and we're probably going to go sideways, maybe even go possibly downward and test some of these moving averages here as support before we go to higher prices again on this token. So I think the move has been made on FTX token as of now, unless we get some more bullish news and catalysts coming from them coming out of bankruptcy. I wouldn't really expect too much from this token going any higher, but I could be wrong. All right, we'll take a look at Bitcoin one last time. And then that's going to be it for today, guys. Bitcoin currently at $93,267. And looks like that point of control is at, like I said, $97,000. We're not going to be bullish on Bitcoin until we get above $97,000. If Bitcoin's below $97,000, then we have to start thinking about some of the bearish scenarios that might be out there, right? Where we might see Bitcoin try to get back down to like below $90,000, and before we can start being bullish again, we might see Bitcoin drop down to like below 90,000, maybe like $87,000, $88,000. And this area of price support sideways action is all we got if we're gonna go lower than $92,000 here. And we'll just have to be on the lookout, see what Bitcoin does next in the future here. You see that Bitcoin has been making lower highs and also lower lows on the RSI, so that's not bullish. And the MACD is showing some red candles here, so we still got some selling pressure going on with Bitcoin. I'm anticipating, just not even looking at the charts, I'm anticipating we might get one more bad week of Bitcoin going down in price during the first week of January, where people who want to book in their profits, who don't want to do it for 2024, but they want to wait until 2025 or the first week of 2025, and then they don't have to pay their taxes, at least here in the United States, they don't have to pay their taxes until April of 2026. We might get one more week of selling pressure on Bitcoin before we might be able to start going up to higher prices again for Bitcoin. And then we got the inauguration of Donald Trump and the Republicans coming into power, and that should be a business-friendly environment and get more investors excited about buying crypto. So, and they're talking about a Bitcoin strategic reserve in for the United States and for, you know, Bitcoin basically being bought up as talking about buying Bitcoin on their state budget balances. So there's still people out there that want more Bitcoin, more institutions and more governments that want more Bitcoin. So I don't see why Bitcoin would have to drop all the way down to $80,000. But if it does, it might be closed for the day at those prices, and then that might be just a reversal candle that sends us to higher prices for Bitcoin, going to like $100,000, $150,000 Bitcoin sometime in 2025. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin, guys, and I'm going to end the stream there. I appreciate you guys coming out to the live stream here, and look out for my next live stream probably around like 5 p.m. East Coast time later on this week. I'm not sure what day that might be. I know tomorrow is my mom's birthday, so I won't be streaming tomorrow. I might do some short videos maybe on like YouTube Shorts. Maybe you might see me do a New Year's Eve stream. So yeah, let's plan on maybe Tuesday. You might see me come out, do a live stream probably around this time, maybe like 3 p.m., 5 p.m. East Coast time. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do another live stream around Tuesday. Okay, guys? Take care. And I'll see you on the next live stream.